Hello, today we will guide you through how to auto-post to Instagram photos, Reels, Carousels using Make.com. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on using Make.com's template library to quickly find a starting point for Instagram automation. This is a great option if you want to save time, because templates can give you a ready-made framework for posting different types of content, including photos, Reels, and Carousels. To begin, open Make.com and go to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can manage automations, browse tools, and create new scenarios. If you're new to Make, think of the dashboard as your home base, where everything starts. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click Templates. This section is especially helpful when you want to avoid building an automation from scratch. Instead of manually assembling every module yourself, you can explore pre-built options designed for common use cases. After opening the Templates area, click into the search field and type Instagram. This will narrow the results and help you quickly find automations related to Instagram workflows. Searching by keyword is one of the easiest ways to locate relevant templates, especially if you already know the platform you want to connect. Next, from the filtered options, choose Instagram for Business using Facebook Login. This is the correct integration for business-related Instagram automation inside Make. Be sure to select the business version, since that's the one typically used for posting workflows and account connections through Facebook. Once you're in the Instagram for Business template results, look for a sample template related to posting. Take a moment here to scan the available examples carefully. Different templates may be designed for different post types or publishing methods, so choosing one that closely matches your goal will make setup easier later on. When you found a suitable sample, click Create a New. This will open the template as a new scenario that you can customize for your own Instagram posting workflow. From there, you'll be able to adjust the setup to fit the type of content you want to publish and the process you want to automate. As a helpful tip, starting from a sample template is often the fastest way to learn how Make structures Instagram automations. It can also reduce setup errors since much of the framework is already in place. That's it for this part of the process. You've now located the right area in Make, filtered for Instagram tools, selected the business integration, and started a new posting template you can build from.